This question is from class 12th textbook, chapter Biodiversity and Conservation. Question 136, NEET 2024. Match list 1 with list 2. So list 1 has names of the scientist and list 2 is their work. So first one, Robert May. Robert May, he gave an estimate of global species diversity, about 7 million. A is 3. Where is A3 in the option? A3 is in option 2 and option 4. So now we have to rule out between B1 and B4. Alexander von Humboldt, he is famous for this one, this work, species area relationship. B is definitely 1. So based on these two options, these two matches, the right answer is option number 2. Yes, this is the right answer. So species area relationship, the uh, equation which is given is log S is equal to log C plus Z log A. So S is the species in that area, species richness, and A is area. So there is direct relationship between species and area. C is the y-intercept and Z is the regression coefficient. Paul Ehrlich, he gave the famous Rivet-Popper hypothesis. C is 4. And David Tillman is long-term ecosystem experiment using outdoor plots. So this is 2. Okay. So this is how you need to do the matching questions and arrive at the right answer. This way you will be saving time and also narrowing down to the right answer. Thank you so much for watching this video.